Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Today we're using pre-made pizza dough to make this delicious garlic bread pizza. Here's 1 pound of plain pre-made pizza dough from Trader Joe's, but use any brand you like. It is important to use room temperature pizza dough for this recipe, so don't forget to leave the refrigerated dough out and bring the dough to room temperature before you use it. Roll the dough into a rectangular shape, and it doesn't have to be perfect because you can make it better later. If you don't have a rolling pin, take a round-shaped water bottle like this and fill it with water to give the bottle more weight. You can then use it to roll the dough out like this. Spray a baking sheet with oil spray. Place the pizza dough onto the baking sheet and take your time to gently stretch the dough to cover the entire baking sheet evenly. Here's fresh chopped garlic mixed with olive oil. Brush it onto the dough. Make sure you cover every inch of the dough. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese, paprika, and dry parsley. Bake at 375 degrees on a metal rack for 12 minutes, then broil for 2 minutes, or until pizza is golden brown. Definitely give this recipe a try if you like soft and chewy garlic bread. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and come back for more pre-made pizza dough ideas. Happy eating, and see you next time.